Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into how to share your Todoist projects with your clients, the complete 2025 guide. Let's get started. First up, open your Todoist app and navigate to the project you want to share. Now, this step is fundamental because it allows you to select the specific project you want your client to view. Next up, click on the three dots on the top right of the screen. It's the Project Actions icon. The reason we do this is to access options for managing the project, including sharing it. Now that we've done that, from the drop-down menu, select Share Project. This is where the magic happens. By clicking on Share Project, you're preparing to invite your client to view and collaborate on the project. In the Share window, enter your client's email address and hit Invite. Let me explain why this matters. By entering your client's email, you're ensuring the invite goes directly to them. It's like sending them a VIP pass to your project. Finally, your client will receive an email invite to join the project. They just need to click Accept on their end, and voila, they're in. This helps us because it offers a seamless way for clients to join, view, and collaborate on a project, enhancing productivity and teamwork. And there you have it. A quick and easy way to share your Todoist projects with clients. Now you're ready to collaborate more effectively and get things done faster. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll catch you in the next one.